Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula. Do you wear false eyelashes? If you don't, do you know how to put them on? I'm fixing to do my very first try at putting on false eyelashes. And if you want to see what happens, good or bad, keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like things about makeup from someone who's not a makeup artist or hasn't really been around makeup a whole lot, give me a big thumbs up because I guarantee you I'm bringing it to you from a real point of view. My makeup look today is from Urban Decay. And if you want to see all the things that I received from Urban Decay and me doing my makeup using it, I'll put the link to it right here. I have watched a ton of YouTube videos showing beginners how to put on false eyelashes. Well, let me tell you, they are not beginners and they do not understand what real true beginners need to know and what to do. But I'm going to try to follow their steps and we're going to see if I can get my false eyelashes on. I went to CVS and I bought some Kiss eyelashes. I bought a pack of 2 in case I mess up. And I also bought some Kiss glue. Nearly all of them said it's best to have the glue with the brush on it because it's easier to control how much glue you get. So I'm going to start, they just said to kind of start picking at the end to pull it off and not to pull too hard because you don't want to mess the lash up or the shape of it. And so there's my lash. I'm going to try to grab it right there. They also said that if there's any of the glue or the sticky stuff used to hold it in the container, to just use your finger and kind of pull it off real carefully. Ah, that's scary. Okay, there's enough of it on here. It's going to take me a while, and so I'll get this one ready and the other one ready without all the sticky stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the next thing is the glue. I've already got them cut down to where I need them, that little tab off. And on the glue, you want to get enough on there that it'll stick, but not so much on there that it'll run off or goop off. So they say that this is the hardest part for even those that have been wearing lashes for a long time and are professionals, is to let it dry. Oops, I'm flashing you my bra again. Is to let it dry until it's tacky. You don't want it to just plop it on while it's still too wet. And it says sometimes even 45 seconds up to a minute. So we wait. So I'm moving around and I may have to stand up here in a minute. They say the best way to put it on is by looking down at your mirror. Okay, so I'm going to look down. I'm going to put it, get it stuck in the middle. I think that's close enough to my, and this is going to be the hard part for me, is making sure I get it close enough to my natural lashes. And some people say to put it on your natural lashes, and then others just say get it close to. This one has a pretty big band on it. Yes, I know I'm making faces. Like I say, this is my very first time. I tried once before a long time ago, but like I say, That was a long time ago. Looks like a hot mess. I did not curl my lashes, even though some people say you need to. Mine have a lot of natural curl themselves, and so I didn't, if I curled them anymore, they'd be curling up on themselves. And these on this end are so curly that they nearly do curl up on themselves. Poke it where it needs to be. This isn't well. What are your tips for beginners when it comes to false lashes? This little tool right here kind of came in with my lashes, so I'm just kind of using it to make sure it's all pushed down. Now I'm going to kind of push them and my regular lashes together. Let me look at it and see what I think. Many of them say too that you can put eyeliner on first, and then you won't see the room between your eyelashes and your eye, and that makes it a little bit more forgiving. So I think, even though I don't normally wear eyeliner, since I am putting on false lashes, I think I will go ahead and put some eyeliner on. And this is some from my Urban Decay little sample they gave me. Okay, I know I'm doing this all wrong, and y'all are going to all tell me in the comments how wrong I am doing it, and that is perfectly fine. You do that. You tell me what I'm doing wrong and how to fix it. Then I can make another video on what to do right and how to do it right. What do you think about that? Okay, so this time I think I'm going to use this little tool that came with the lashes to help me put them on. Okay, I have had lash extensions that somebody else has done for me, but I've never done just the... Okay. Oh, maybe easier with this little tool. They didn't tell me about that glue could stick to my fingers. Does that mean I have too much glue on it? Let me know. Or does that mean I didn't let it dry good enough? What do you think? Ew. Get them up in there with my other lashes, my normals. What do you think? Not too bad for a first try? Will it get better as time goes by? I do think adding the eyeliner really helped. It is kind of coming up at the end there still. Okay. So what do you think? Okay, I'm going to leave this one alone for right now, and I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, got it ready. Put some glue on it. And I think that's what was wrong the first time that I tried to put those on there. I did not have enough glue on there because I was worried about getting too much glue, that I didn't get enough. So let's see. Oh, I got plenty on that one this time, didn't I? See, that's going to be a mistake somebody's going to tell me about. Too much glue. You got it in the lashes. And I know that. Okay, so now I'm going to let this glue dry and get tacky. Keep playing with this one, I know. Okay, I do think I had better luck using the little eyelash applicator. So I'll make sure they're about in the same place. Yeah, because I have that glue on the lashes that's sticking to the applicator. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it with my fingers. Wish me luck. Man, you get your hands in there and you can't see a whole lot. A little bit. Oh, you know what? I forgot the eyeliner. Dang it. This is for true beginners. True beginners. Okay, now let's try that again. Okay. Whew. This is making me work for it. I'm gonna have to decide if it's worth this much work. Some of you that do it all the time, you just plop them on and they're done. And then you're done with them. They don't look exactly alike. And this one's popping up. Okay, I'm not gonna make you watch me fool with these any longer. So I'm gonna turn the camera off and see what I can do. And then I'll let you see the final product. Okay, so I'm back. They're not perfect, but I did get them on. I feel okay about them. And I went ahead and added some mascara to the bottom. I know that it'll get easier as I go with time, and being my first time, I know that it's not going to be perfect, and I know it will get easier, so I hope it gets a lot easier. And here's what they look like. For all of you that put them on every day or a lot, do you have some tips and tricks for some newbies? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this terrific train wreck, and remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.